10 stock market industries to invest your money to become rich. Hello guys, today we are talking about 10 stock market industries that you should invest your money to become a rich person. Stock market is a big ocean of money, which can fill your house with lots of money. But you have to be very smart while investing your money in this market. Do you ever wonder why some people are very successful in stock market? Because they know the proper way of investing their money in stock market. They know how to invest, where to invest, when to invest. So if you are new to this channel, then press the subscribe button and hit the notifications bell to never miss our new video. Before starting with our list of industries, here are some tips for all of you guys about this market. Never put all your apples in one basket. It means that you should never invest all your money in just one industry or one company. You have to divide your money and then invest it in different types of company and different types of industrial sector. So here are the 10 industries to invest your money in stock market to become a rich person. Industry number 1. Financial companies. This is one of the most profitable industry to invest your money. When we talk about financial companies, we are talking about banks, financial firms, brokerage firms, debt service companies, money lending companies, insurance companies, and also those companies which help people to invest their money in stock market or real estate. There is a lot of money involved in this sector. Remember, you have to make money by putting your money into money. This sector is amazing to make a lot of money in stock market. This is the never-ending industry. We all use credit cards and debit card. We all have bank account. If we have to invest money or if we have to borrow some money, we have to go to these financial firms. Financial companies like American Express, PayPal, Visa, and all other different banks. Industry number 2. Technology. We all know that technology is our future. Everything around us is technology, from your phone to your smart door lock. Our lives depends on tech to get entertained, to shop, to chat, or to order food online. We are talking about the Facebook, Apple, YouTube, Samsung, Amazon, eBay. It's about everything. Technology sector is just booming. From past few years, old companies are at their peak and new startups are growing day by day. You have to put your half of the money in technological sector. Half of the billionaires in the world are from this sector only. Just take a look at one of the best tech companies' performance in last 5 years. In 2015, Amazon's stock price was $500 to $540. In 2020, it is around $3,000. Industry number 3. Food and beverage. We all love eating food and drinking drinks, but those days are gone where people used to cook food in their house. Nowadays, people are more dependent on restaurants and packed food and drinks. Packed food are very easy to cook, it is easy to carry. We can eat packed food at any time and at any place. Everyone is taking their coffee from Starbucks and their lunch from McDonald's. The growth of these industry is so high. We are not just talking about McDonald's, Domino's, Starbucks, but also about protein shake and supplement companies, breakfast cereal companies like Kellogg's and many other different companies. Identify which companies is doing well for your investment according to your geological factor. PepsiCo and Coca-Cola can be the best investment you can do in your life. Industry number 4. Fashion and clothing. Everyone in the world loves to dress up properly and look good and to become a next fashion icon. Clothes are an essential part of every human's life. But it's not just about clothes, there is a lot more. People are ready to pay a lot of money on clothes, beauty products, grooming product, shoes, fashion accessories. They are not just buying clothes, they are buying the brand behind the dress. Not just clothes, people are ready to spend more money on beauty products and grooming kits and products. The market share of beauty products in the world is around 60 to 70%. This is the right time for all of you guys to invest your money in the long run. Industry number 5. Energy. Energy is one of the most important thing for human. We can't live without energy. If energy is not there, our world will stop. There are billions of people living on this planet, and millions of companies and business are running. Everyone needs energy to run their machines, charge their device, light up their houses. Energy companies are growing rapidly and bringing more money. But you should also invest your money in those companies which has renewable sources of energy like solar power. Our future is on renewable sources of energy. Fossil fuel are decreasing day by day. We are running out of fossil fuels, as some study says that we are just left with 70 to 90 years of fossil fuels in our ground. In this type of sector, investors invest the most for high return. Industry number 6. E-commerce business. The e-commerce business are at their peak, like Amazon, eBay, Netflix. Today we are depending on this type of business to buy stuff, to get entertainment, to sell products, and everything. There is a massive growth in last 6 years for this industry. These businesses are doing so well, people are buying their products, and investors are investing their money. This is the right time for you to invest your money in this industry of e-commerce. And after 5 to 7 years later, you'll have a crazy amount of money in your bank account. Industry number 7. Government bonds. This is the safest investment you can do in the stock market. You'll not get more return on this type of investment. As you all know the rule of stock market, high risk, high return, low risk, low return. This is the debt investment where we lend money to government on which government gives us a fixed rate of interest. In this type of investment you will not lose your money. You'll just get 3% to 4% of interest rates. If you are not the risk taker, then invest your money in this rather than keeping your money in the bank account. Make your money work for you to bring more money. Industry number 8. Vehicles and transportation. Transportation, people love to traveling to different places. We all need transportation vehicles like bikes, to car, to bus, to train, to aeroplane. The growth of this industry is slow, but if you hold their stock for a long period of time, it will give you big returns. We are not just talking about cars, an airplane company, but also those courier service companies like FedEx, DHL and other leading companies. This courier service company are growing pretty well. Industry number 9. Commodity. This is the money-making sector of stock market. This sector has high risk, but the returns are also high. Traders make a huge amount of money over here, but they also lose their money. Commodity are gold, silver, crude oil, cotton, natural gas. This sector will give you high return and minimum loss on your long-term investment over 5 years. Gold price has increased massively in last 6 years. It is given the highest return. Investment in gold will make you rich, just hold it for a long time. Industry number 10. Telecom. Just imagine you're one day without internet connection. No, we can't, because internet is our basic need nowadays. If there is no internet, business won't work properly, stock market will crash, billions of dollars transaction will stop. Telecom industries has become one of the most important part of the world. Over 60% of world's population use internet. The number are still growing. This is the perfect time to invest money in telecom companies. If you like the video, please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to press the like button and subscribe button.